Welcome back to Msrmastersvision YouTube channel. Today we'll discuss about half mark questions, quick revision on nutrition lesson. Yes, now let us start our topic. The first question is, who gave the simple equation for photosynthesis? The scientist name is C.B. Van Niel in the year 1931. The second bit is, which scientist showed oxygen is released from water in the process of photosynthesis? The scientist name is Robert Hill. Then we can go for third bit. Name the chemical used to test the presence of starch in leaves. The chemical name is methylated spirit or dilute iodine solution. Yes, then we can go for fourth bit. Who discovered oxygen and in which year? Priestley discovered oxygen in the year 1774. Next we can go for fifth bit. Who coined the term oxygen? The scientist name is Lavoisier in the year 1775. In the year 1775. Yes, then we can go for sixth bit. By which experiment we can prove carbon dioxide released during photosynthesis? By the moles half-leaf experiment, we can prove carbon dioxide is released during photosynthesis. So in this experiment, which chemical we can use? That is also very important. The chemical name is potassium hydroxide. The chemical name is potassium hydroxide. Yes, then we can go for seventh bit. Name the element present in chlorophyll and hemoglobin. Name the element present in chlorophyll and hemoglobin. So in chlorophyll magnesium is there and in hemoglobin iron is there. So here chlorophyll it is in the leaves, hemoglobin it is in the blood. So chlorophyll and hemoglobin we call as pigments which is in the leaf and blood. Then we can go for eighth bit. Name the end products of light reaction. So ATP and NADPH, these are the end products of light reaction. Here, what is the another name of light reaction? Sometimes they will ask. That is the light reaction another name is photochemical phase. Then we can go for ninth bit. Yes, what are the end products of dark reaction? What are the end products of dark reaction? Glucose, it is the end product of dark reaction. Glucose then it stored in the form of starch. Next we can go for 10th bit. An example for parasitic plant is Cuscuta. Now here Cuscuta it is also called as dodder plant. Cuscuta belongs to which family? Sometimes they will ask. Cuscuta belongs to morning glory family or Convolvulaceae. Next we can go for 11th bit. Complete the following photosynthesis equation. Complete the following photosynthesis equation. Here 6CO2, 12H2O, light and chlorophyll. So then they given bracket. Next 6H2O and O2. Here in this bracket what we can get? In this bracket what we can get? C6H12O6. C6H12O6. That is what glucose. So in this photosynthesis equation what we can get? Glucose we can get. Yes, now we can go for 12th bit. Complete the following table. Here they given reaction name and place of reaction. So the first reaction is light reaction. The second reaction is dark reaction. So where the light reaction takes place? Light reaction takes place in the grana. Where the dark reaction takes place? Dark reaction takes place in the stroma of chloroplast. Stroma of chloroplast. Then we can go for 13th bit. Expand ATP. ATP means adenosine triphosphate. Next we can go for 14th bit. What is the full form of NADPH? Nicotinamide adenosine dinucleotide hydrogen phosphate. Then we can go for 15th bit. Name the enzyme which is in the saliva. Stylin or salivary amylase. Then we can go for 16th bit. Name the acid which is in the gastric juice. The acid name is hydrochloric acid. It is secreted by the stomach. Yes, now we can go for 17th bit. Which nutrient deficiency leads to the kwashiorkor disease? Which nutrient deficiency leads to the kwashiorkor disease? Protein deficiency leads to the kwashiorkor disease. So here simply we can remind KP cement. K for kwashiorkor, P for protein. P for protein. Then we can go for 18th bit. Which nutrient deficiency cause for marasmus disease? Proteins and calories deficiency leads to the marasmus disease. So simply we can remind here MPC. M for marasmus, P and C. P for proteins, C for calories. Then we can go for 19th bit. An example for water soluble vitamins are B complex and C vitamin we called as water soluble vitamins. Yes, now we can go for what are fat soluble vitamins. A, D, E, K we called as fat soluble vitamins. Next 21 bit, the chemical name of vitamin B12 is cyanocobalamin. We called as chemical name of vitamin B12. Now we can go for 22 bit. Which vitamin deficiency leads to the beriberi disease? B1 vitamin or thiamine vitamin deficiency leads to the beriberi disease. Now we can go for 23rd bit. Which vitamin deficiency leads to the pernicious anemia? B12 vitamin or cyanocobalamin vitamin deficiency leads to the pernicious anemia. 24th bit. Which vitamin deficiency leads to the night blindness? Vitamin A deficiency leads to the night blindness. Next last bit, we can go for 25th bit. Which vitamin deficiency leads to delay in blood clotting? Vitamin K deficiency leads to the delay in blood clotting. Next class we'll discuss about quick revision of 1 mark questions in nutrition lesson. Please subscribe and share our channel to your friends and relatives. Have a nice day. Bye.